Fy enw i Owain Gethin a fi di pennaeth Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy yma yn Llanrwst. My name's Owain Gethin and I'm the head teacher of Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy in Llanrwst. Fel rhan o'r adnodd gwerthuso a gwella, mi fe'n i ati fel ysgol yn treialu'r adnodd yma a cael pleser mawr o wneud hynny. Mi eithom ati i lunio rhestr chwarae gan ymchwilio y prif gwestiwn sef pa mor dda mae'r ysgol yn sefydlu'r diwylliant a'r amodau cywir ar gyfer newid. We went about creating a playlist looking at how we use the resource, and our main focus and question was how well does the school establish the right culture and conditions for change. Yn amlwg, mae'r ffocws yma wedi dod o'r adran cwricwlwm yn yr adnodd, ac mi aethon ni ati'n benodol i edrych ar y gwestiynau trafod penodol. This has come from the curriculum department of the resource, and we had specific questions we looked into as part of our playlist and the work here with staff, learners and the community of Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Y prif gwestiynau nathon ni edrych arnyn nhw oedd a yw'r arweinwyr wedi sicrhau'r diwylliant a'r amodau cywir ar gyfer newid a sut ydych chi'n gwybod hynny? Yn ail, ddaru ni edrych ar pa mor dda ydych chi'n codi'r ymwybyddiaeth am newidiadau'r cwricwlwm, ac yn olaf, pa mor dda ydych chi'n cydnabod y prif rwystrau newid a sut ydych chi'n mynd ati i'r afael â nhw ac yn ei goresgu nhw. So we had three main focus questions, and we went about it as a community to look deep into these questions as part of our evaluation process throughout a school term. Y dulliau wnaethon ni ddefnyddio i nodi bod hwn yn faes datblygu oedd bod o'n y cynllun gwella ysgol a'r cynllun gwella adran, bod o hefyd yn rhan o'r broses o werthuso'r ddarpariaeth datblygu proffesiynol parhaus sydd yn yr ysgol, bod o'n ystyriaeth raglen hyfforddiant mewn swydd y flwyddyn, ac y fwy na dim bod o'n rhan o'r broses o ddatblygu a newid mwyn cyflwyno cwricwlwm i Gymru. Why we'd identified this as an area we wanted to look into further and develop our understanding better regarding how we evaluate is because it was in our school development plan and in the departmental plans. It was part of our process of evaluating our professional learning within the school, but more than anything, the process of developing and changing for the curriculum for Wales. Mae'r adnodd wedi cael ei strwythuro mewn tudalennau amrywiol o edrych ar gyd-destun yr ysgol, fel dwi wedi sôn yn barod am pa feisydd gwella oedden ni angen ei hadnabod, pwy oedd yn rhwng ar gwaith o gasglu gwybodaeth, be oedd y prif ddeilliannau, sut oedden ni ati werthuso, ac yn olaf y camau nesaf. The resource has been structured slide by slide, looking at different aspects, looking at the background and the context of our school here in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. As I've mentioned already, why these were areas we wanted to research further into them, who was involved in casting the evidence and how we went about doing that, what were the main outcomes of the work we made, also the evaluation, and furthermore, how we looked at the further steps. Da ni wedi gwneud defnydd amlwg o'r adran cwricwlwm, oherwydd o fewn yr adnodd yma mi welwch chi'n glir sut da ni edrych ar newid o fewn cwricwlwm i Gymru. Ond mi ydyn ni'n awyddus iawn rwan i wneud defnydd o'r adran arweinyddiaeth ac yr adran addysgu a dysgu. We have obviously used the curriculum section of this resource, and we now want to look further into looking at the leadership and the learning and the teaching section of the resource, as we find it's been very beneficial to us as a school to use the curriculum aspect, and would like to further use the resource in the next term now, specifically looking at leadership and teaching and learning. O ran y camau nesaf, yr ydym yn awyddus i gynnal gweithgaredda pellach sydd yn arfarnu'r dysgu ac ar addysgu mewn modd arloesol gan sicrhau bod y dysgwyr yn ganolog i'r gwaith gwerthuso yma. Mi fyddwn ni hefyd yn awyddus i wrando ar lais rhieni a gorcheidwad wrth werthuso dysgu ac addysgu ac hefyd yr addysgeg o fewn yr ysgol. In terms of next steps, we are keen to undertake further activities that evaluate learning and teaching in an innovative way, placing the learners at the centre of this evaluation. We will also want to listen to the voice of parents and guardians when evaluating teaching and also pedagogy. Mae'r adnodd yn rhywbeth da ni yn berchen arno'n hunain yma yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Does dim rhaid defnyddio pob rhan o'r adnodd, ac mae'n bosib mynd mewn ag allan o agweddau gwahanol yn defnyddio'r cwestiynau trafod ac ymchwilio ymhellach. The resource is something we own here at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Not all parts of the resource have been used, and it's possible to dip in and out of different aspects and taking different approaches into consideration when discussing and researching the questions further. Da ni wedi gweld defnydd effeithiol iawn o'r adnodd yma o fewn yr ysgol, gyda nifer o staff wedi bod yn nghlwm o ddefnyddio'r cwestiynau trafod ac hefyd o ymchwilio a gwerthuso ymhellach i agweddau gwahanol o fywyd a gwaith yr ysgol. Certainly as a school, we've seen a big benefit of this resource. It's been very useful for us, and numerous practitioners throughout the school have been involved in developing, researching and more than anything, evaluating our practice here in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy.